might as well become a Hindu, or, well, actually, Hindus got a lot of latitude in thinking, Buddhist, you can do anything you want. Okay, anyway, but you have just become this legalist who has reduced life down to the rituals of temple worship. The very thing that Jesus said, these people do near to me with their lips. They know the kind of clothing that Christians wear. They even know the kind of tattoos that Christians are allowed to have.
Yep.
And their reaction, you guys disappoint me sometimes.
Yeah, I do when it's safe.
The danger is that we are thinking about somehow developing these disciplines in our life that make a difference. And don't misunderstand me. I am not anti-discipline. I'm just very against thinking that discipline is an end in itself. But what we're really called to is a surrendered life. And you don't want everybody has been a kind of a discipline, but it is not. Because that surrender life begins with one of three things. It begins with confession. And confession is simply acknowledging that what God has said is true, regardless of what I might think. It means that I begin to admit to God, God, when I said that, I was wrong for saying that. And I ask you to forgive me.
Yep.
And not argue with God by saying, well, I know it probably wasn't the nicest or the kindest thing I should have said, but, you know, God, considering what they did, and they said it first, and they started, and they're at fault, and they're the one, and we go off on this journey. That when God simply says, forgive as I have forgiven you. And I have to simply say, God, forgive me, for I have not been willing to forgive. And I have not been willing to love those who are unlovely. But I've somehow rationalized in my mind that it's okay for me to carry this grudge, to carry this resentment, to feel this thing inside of me towards this person or that person. And what you don't understand is that's not confession. And when people say things, well, I can't help it, God knows my heart, and I'm not going to lie to God. Oh, God's just going, oh, great. Like the only choice is to lie to me or not lie to me. Why don't you just acknowledge that what you're believing is a lie? And repent of the lie that you are clinging to, that somehow you have a justification for holding those things in your heart. That's the lie. That's the lie against the truth of God, who said, forgive. You must forgive, or you will not be forgiven.
Yep, Matthew 18.
That scares me worse than
verse.
the Bible. I'm like you. If I wanted to hang on to stuff, I could hang on forever and ever and ever. In fact, I could hang on to it so well that I could completely forget about it until I encountered that person in the grocery store. There they are. Let's go down a different aisle. Right there, that should be a